Hi, and welcome to Inside Us. In this video, we will talk about nervous system and its role in the formation of human body. The nervous system is a complex network of tissues and organs that coordinate the functions of the body. It consists of the central nervous system, which includes the brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system, which consists of all the nerves that lie outside the central nervous system. Central nervous system. The central nervous system is the control center of the body. It consists of the brain and the spinal cord and is responsible for processing and integrating sensory information, controlling movement, and coordinating the body's functions. Brain. The brain is a complex organ that is responsible for controlling all the body's functions, including thinking, feeling, and behaving. It is divided into several different regions, each with specific functions. The cerebrum is the largest and most complex part of the brain and is responsible for most of the brain's functions. It is divided into two hemispheres, left and right, which are connected by a bundle of nerve fibers called the corpus callosum. The cerebrum is divided into four main lobes: the frontal lobe, the parietal lobe, the temporal lobe, and the occipital lobe. Each lobe is responsible for different functions, such as movement, sensation, language, and vision. The cerebellum is located beneath the cerebrum and is responsible for coordinating movement and balance. The brainstem is located between the cerebrum and the spinal cord and is responsible for controlling many of the body's automatic functions, such as heart rate, breathing, and digestion. It is also involved in the control of sleep, wakefulness, and consciousness. The hippocampus is located within the brain and is responsible for forming and storing memories. The amygdala is also located within the brain and is involved in the processing of emotions and the formation of memories. Spinal cord. The spinal cord is a long, slender tube of nerve tissue that runs from the brain down through the center of the back. It carries messages between the brain and the rest of the body and helps coordinate movement. It is protected by the vertebrae of the spine, which form a hollow tube around it. The spinal cord is divided into different regions, each with specific functions. The brain sends signals down the spinal cord to control the body's movements and functions, and the spinal cord sends sensory information back to the brain. The spinal cord is made up of nerve cells, neurons, and supportive cells, glial cells. The neurons are responsible for carrying messages to and from the brain, while the glial cells provide support and protection for the neurons. Peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system is one of the two components that make up the nervous system of human body. It